In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a flag to an issue in Jira. If you need to signal that a task is blocked, at risk, or needs immediate attention, Jira gives you a simple built-in way to do that right from your board. Instead of digging through a lot of settings, you can use the Issue Actions menu to apply a flag quickly and make the item stand out for your whole team. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're logged in, wait for the main dashboard to load, then navigate to the project board or backlog where the issue you want to update is located. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on, especially if you manage more than one project. Now, find the specific issue card that needs to be marked. This could be a story, task, or bug that is currently blocked or at risk. Move your cursor over that issue card and right-click once. When you do that, a context menu should appear with several actions related to that issue. This is one of the fastest ways to update a card directly from the board. In that menu, scroll until you see the option labeled Add Flag, then click it once. As soon as you do, Jira applies the flag to that issue and updates its visual status on the board. If you're already inside the issue details and don't want to return to the board, there's another built-in way to do the same thing. In the issue detail view, go to the upper right area of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the actions panel for that ticket. From there, scroll through the available options, select Add Flag, and Jira will apply the same visual warning marker. After that, take a moment to confirm that everything updated correctly. Look at the issue card and make sure it now appears highlighted, typically with an amber or yellow background, along with a flag icon. This visual change helps your team spot blockers immediately during backlog review or stand-up meetings. To finish the process properly, click into the Tickets Comments field and add a short explanation of why the issue was flagged. Keep it concise and specific so teammates understand the blocker right away. For example, mention that you're waiting on an approval, dependency, or technical clarification. Then save the comment so the context is documented for everyone reviewing the issue. That's it. You've now flagged an issue in Jira and added the context your team needs to act on it quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.